guys, and we are back with another program, how to encrypt the string. So let's start it. Hashtag web to encrypt the string. We will start. Next line, we will first define encrypt. Encrypt str comma key return key dot join str. We will start from here n equal to str. Input, enter the string to be encrypted. So we will give the choice to the user n1 equal to str input choose yes to encrypt or choose no to not. We will choose from yes or no, or we will add a loop. We will add a loop while n1 equal to yes. This loop will work. Print k key equal to str input, enter encrypting symbol. We will make another variable entry equal to encrypt n comma key. We will print n3. And we will end this loop by getting n1 equal to no. We will enter this string. So ready with the program. So let's begin. Fine. I am writing my name. We will want to encrypt it. We will write yes. Enter the encrypt symbol. We will add this one, and this one. So this is the encrypted string. So our program is working. Thanks.